Hey guys, Patrick from Iron Rock Off-Road. We're getting all geared up to do our first open house. We're sitting here on our in-progress off-road course that our guests will be able to try out today. They'll also be able to test out their flex on our new RTI ramp. We'll be doing shop tours. You guys will see that a little bit later, and we'll be doing a lunch, so stick around.
This guy wants to go for a ride in the race Jeep.
You gonna take it for a spin?
Sure.
Climb on in.
Oh, you gotta climb over.
You gotta climb up. Nope.
Grab
There's a
on
handle
the
up here on
rotate.
the top.
Oh god. Don't scare him too bad, okay?
Try not to.
Iron Rock's first customer long arm kit for a TJ. Nice, let's see how it does. Take that over time. Thing had lockers.
Hey guys, welcome to Iron Rock Off-Road. Let me show you around a little bit. So first stop here is going to be our showroom. This is where we're going to display a lot of our products so you can see it, feel it, touch it, that kind of stuff. This is also where all of our office work happens, our sales, customer service. Back in the corner here is where our engineers reside. That's where they're designing all this product. So if we can take you in back and show you where the magic happens, you can see what those engineers are coming up with. So this is our first stop. This is the laser shop. Now, as you look around, you're going to see a lot of raw material kind of starting its life. And one of the common questions we get when people place an order is it in stock or is it build to order? We're building everything before you order. We don't operate on the build to order way of doing things. So that when you place your order, hopefully your product is already ready to be shipped. So again, in the laser, this is where all the flat material starts. It's going to get cut. If need be, it's going to be bent on our press brake over there. So things like our trusses, our skid plates, our frame stiffeners, things like that, that's where this is all starting. And now into our machine shop, again, a lot of raw material in here, a lot of bar, a lot of DOM. This is where we're going to start making and machining things like our control arms and track bars and steering. We're also going to machine our bushing tubes, our flex joints, all those components. Now we start getting into the production side of things. After these raw materials have been started, they've been cut, they've been bent, they've been machined. Now they're probably ready to be welded, and that's what we're doing here. So if you come around the corner here, you can see the welding area. And then a lot of our items that after they've come here for welding, like namely, again, our track bars and control arms and things like that, we're going to take them over to the other side of the shop to get bent up. Now, interestingly enough, so this is a custom bender. We built it so that we could bend things the way we wanted to bend them, but also for the material that we use, namely on our lower control arms, that 2-inch 5/16 wall DOM, nothing on the market was handling it, at least not any long-term use. So we had to come up with our own to be able to keep bending these arms. And now this is where the finished product comes before it gets to you. This is our warehouse. Again, like I said, we don't operate on the build to order. A lot of these parts are already made. Essentially, if it's an Iron Rock product, we're doing our best job to put it on the shelf for you. So when you place that order, that part's already waiting for you. And on the note of inventory and stock, again, we try and keep as much of our own labeled product in-house ready to go for you. But there's some of that other manufacturer product, like shocks, for example. You can see we got a whole row of shocks here. We're trying to keep those on the shelf so that we can minimize any kind of back orders or lower lead times or anything like that. It's all ready to get shipped out for you. Another thing that we've been doing more and we'll continue to do more is we do a lot of pre-boxing. Some of our most common items we can get in a box ready to go. Here's an example: XJ gas tank skid plate. It's boxed up, taped up, ready to go. The only thing that's missing is the shipping label going to your house. And all of our springs, an entire row, crates full of springs, every single one to get the job done.
All right, what are we doing, Jason?
We're gonna go run the trail that nobody wants to run because it's too muddy.
Oh.
Nobody wants to wash their Jeeps afterwards.
All right, let's go.
little bit more wheel wrap. Oh well.
Brian, that was awesome. Tell me about your Jeep.
Yeah, it's 2019 Rubicon JL 4-door. It's got all iron rock, all the premium stuff under it. It's a 2.5-inch lift, 37-inch Mickey Thompsons on method wheels. Other than that, driveline is still pretty well stock underneath, and yeah, figured we would test out all the iron rock goodies, make sure they'll go through all their trail.
Awesome. Thanks for trying her out, bud.
Not a problem.